great Monday morning. It is a beautiful Monday for, let's call it a Monday minute. Yes, it's cloudy, it's overcast here in the Chicagoland area. But what do we say? A cloudy day is no match for a sunny disposition. And nobody told me that I'm starting to look like a troll. I need my buttocks cut. That's the truth too. So here's where my mind's been at over the weekend. And here's the message I want to somehow quickly get across is do not wait. Do not wait for X to happen. For you to start making changes in your behaviors, making changes in your lifestyle, changes in your habits. That's right. Great morning, Jeff. Chris, let's make this a day worth repeating. But don't wait for X to happen. And that's something that we all tend to do. I mean, how often are we just waiting for the right opportunity? We're waiting for us to get permission. We're waiting for him to say yes or her to say yes. And we're procrastinating. And procrastination is the slowest slayer that you're going to experience. And why am I bringing this up? Simple. I had a great conversation this weekend with a friend. Actually, it was more of like an association. And she overheard me talking about the quarantine 15. You know, there's the freshman 15 where you go to college and you presumably, for a lot of people, put on 15 pounds. And in the quarantine, people are putting on 15 pounds in a matter of 2 months, 3 months. And so she heard me talking about that reference and we had struck up a conversation. And I said, all right, so you've become subject or a victim to the quarantine 15, huh? She goes, no, I've actually put on more than that. I'm like, hey, it's all right. Give yourself permission. Are you willing to make a change? Are you ready to make a change? Yeah, I'm just waiting for the kids to get out of school. Waiting for the kids to get out of school, huh? I mean, I don't know if anybody feels that's as silly as I heard it. But guess what? The kids are out of school. They're out early. This pandemic has the kids really not doing, we're done. At least here we're done with our e-schooling. So we had a conversation and I said, all right, I can't want this more than you want to have it. And she understood. So I started explaining the 90-day sprint because I thought this was going to be a great fit for her because we don't really tolerate, and I say we because we have an incredible group of people, really supportive. We don't judge, we don't criticize, but we understand the belief in other people. Like, we want people to win. We want them to succeed. And don't wait to put on the weight to change the behaviors or change your habits. That's the beautiful thing about it, is that we start today. Today's a new opportunity. Oh, I'll start on Monday. Forget Monday. I know coincidentally it's Monday, and this is my long extended Monday minute like always. But procrastination, as I told you, is just a slow killer. It's a slow slayer. And if you're open to having a conversation with me, I love to walk through what challenges you're having. What are the things that you're waiting on that's not serving you right now? Yes, that's right. I'm going to wait till I move. I'm going to start the diet when I move. And as a matter of fact, when I was having this conversation with this young lady, I said, all right, let's start with nutrition. I know it's not easy, but I'll tell you what, that's going to be a big mover. That's a big needle mover because we don't put on 15 pounds over a few short months if we didn't have destructive eating habits. Just things went to the wayside. Life got in the way. I get it. You get it. You're the one living it. So it starts with one simple, small habit. You're one small change away consistently for getting your life back. You are. It was one small habit that became a poor habit that got you into the predicament you're in. It's going to take one small habit to get you back on track and start living the life that you desire to live. So if you're open to having a conversation with me, I'm game, because I am passionate about people living in their healthiest bodies to the best of your potential, their potential, and there's no reason why you can't live the life that you desire. And stop waiting. Do not wait. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the right time. Stop waiting for the right circumstances. You've been waiting. Time's now. All right. The 90-day sprint has seriously been a game changer. It's been a changer for me. Like, I've strengthened my integrity, doing the things that I told myself I was going to do when I said I was going to do them, when nobody else is watching. That's personal integrity. You want to learn more about personal integrity and how to strengthen that and become a more trusted version of yourself? Whoo! Watching this, you're in the right direction. I'll tell you that right now. Anyway, absorb that Monday minute. Make it a great day. Make this Monday one worth repeating. And honestly, seriously, if you want, just reach out. Hit me up. Hit my DM. Be like, Steve, hey, I'm struggling with this. And even if it's so small, don't be embarrassed. Don't be ashamed. Just allow me to help. It brings me great joy and purpose to do so. All right. Enjoy the day, and I will see you later. You call it today, 12 o'clock Central Standard Time, 30 minutes, all body weight movements. You show up, you participate, you call the exercises. We all do them. We all move in sync and synergistically across the country, across the globe, wherever you're at. We're going to move together. Let's go.